Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get straight to it. Today, find out how the price of Bitcoin has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA, divergence and stochastic RSI show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the hourly time frame for Bitcoin, the price rapidly went down with around 6.6% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 49,949. The volume was also high, showing that this move was strong and the sellers are taking over. Jumping to the hourly simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 50 SMA will play as resistance, or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 52,596. Moving to the hourly exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the hourly ribbon, which is usually bearish, and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 52,137. The ribbon is relatively spread out, so the resistance should be considered. Jumping to the hourly stochastic RSI, currently, both the %K and %D lines are very high, meaning that the crypto is being highlight bought and a change in the trend can be expected, or for it to remain at least stable for some time. However, the K line still hasn't crossed the D line, so you should wait to see if the trend will actually go down. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, will play as resistance, or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 53,145. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate, and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Moving to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is below the 3-hourly ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 55,098. The resistance should be relatively strong, seeing as the ribbon is spread out. On the lookout for divergences in the 3-hourly time frame. There is a bullish divergence, which means we can expect the price going up, or at least to remain stable for some time. Looking at the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, there are no signs of the stochastic RSI being oversold or overbought at this time, but because the %K line is over the %D line, we can deduce that the trend is currently on the up. Moving to the daily simple moving averages, the current price is between the 100 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 100 SMA, which is currently at 49,361, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA, that is at 56,783, could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Looking at the daily exponential moving averages, the current price went below the daily ribbon, so you should see if the price can jump back above the ribbon, or it will play as a resistance to the upside, currently at around 54,753. Jumping to the daily stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are currently very low, which means that the price is oversold and a trend change, or at least some kind of consolidation, is to be expected. However, the K line still hasn't crossed the D line, so you should wait to see if the trend will actually change to the upside. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions, as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.